SpaceX's next Starship is fueling up for an exhilarating journey into the cosmos. With the critical fueling test successfully completed, the stage is set for the highly anticipated third launch attempt for the world's biggest rocket. Standing proud at 400 feet, the gleaming stainless steel Starship and its super heavy booster were recently filled with over 10 million pounds of propellant during a rigorous rehearsal at SpaceX's Starbase facility near Boca Chica Beach. Here's everything you need to know about this monumental launch. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, recently shared updates on the progress of Starship Flight 3, signaling the spacecraft's readiness for launch. Musk's announcement, made on X, accompanied a series of striking photos capturing the fueling test conducted on March 4th. These images, posted separately on X, showcase the meticulous preparations underway at SpaceX's facilities. Designed to be the most powerful and fully reusable rocket in the world, SpaceX's Starship and Super Heavy booster have the capability to carry an impressive payload of up to 165 tons into orbit. Notably, NASA has selected Starship to serve as the lunar lander for the Artemis 3 mission slated for 2026, aiming to transport the next generation of astronauts to the moon. However, before the ambitious goal can be achieved, SpaceX must successfully execute at least a near-orbital flight, a feat that eluded the company in its first two test flights in April and November of 2023. In a recent interview, Musk hinted at the possibility of SpaceX's third Starship test flight launching in early March. However, the company is currently awaiting approval from the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) before proceeding with the upcoming flight. Against the backdrop of these preparations, striking images emerged of the Starship Flight 3 rocket and Super Heavy booster positioned atop the launch pad, illuminated against the night sky during a fueling test. The Mechazilla launch pad gantry and capture device, with its distinctive black arms, stood open as the test unfolded around March 3, 2024 at SpaceX's Starbase in Boca Chica, Texas. The path to this imminent launch, however, has not been without challenges. Following the mishap during Starship Flight's second test on November 18th, FAA officials conducted a thorough investigation, resulting in the identification of 17 corrective actions for SpaceX to address before proceeding with the next launch. These actions encompass 10 fixes for the Starship vehicle and 7 for the Super Heavy booster, ensuring the utmost safety and reliability of future missions. In a statement released on February 26th, SpaceX addressed the unfortunate incident involving the Flight 2 Super Heavy booster. According to SpaceX, the booster exploded over the Gulf of Mexico after one of its 33 Raptor engines failed energetically following stage separation. This failure was attributed to a blocked filter in a liquid oxygen line, leading to a chain reaction of events. To prevent similar incidents in the future, SpaceX stated that they have made hardware modifications within the booster oxidizer tanks to enhance propellant filtration capabilities. Additionally, operational procedures have been refined to bolster reliability. Meanwhile, investigations into the Flight 2 Starship vehicle revealed that a leak in its aft section during a planned venting of liquid oxygen triggered a combustion event and subsequent fires, resulting in a loss of communication between the spacecraft's flight computers. To address these issues, SpaceX has implemented hardware changes in upcoming Starship vehicles to mitigate leaks and enhance fire protection. Operational procedures associated with propellant venting have also been refined to boost reliability. Furthermore, the planned transition from a hydraulic steering system to an entirely electric system for the Raptor engines aims to eliminate potential sources of flammability. In February, SpaceX rolled out its Flight 3 Starship and Super Heavy booster vehicles to the Starbase launch pad. The Starship was then stacked atop the Super Heavy booster in preparation for flight on February 13th. In other news, SpaceX's Crew 8 astronaut mission made a triumphant arrival at the International Space Station early Tuesday morning, March 5th. The Dragon capsule, dubbed Endeavour, successfully docked with the ISS at 2:28 a.m. EST as both spacecraft soared above the central North Atlantic just east of Newfoundland. Ground Control sent a jovial message to the ISS upon docking, saying, "Crew Dragon Endeavour, welcome to the International Space Station. We would also like to note that you can't be crew late when you arrive 30 minutes early." Responding to the message, Crew 7 Commander Jasmine Mokbeli of NASA, currently aboard the ISS, warmly welcomed Crew 8. She humorously added, "Dragon, from those of us on board, welcome to the International Space Station. We disagree, you can still be crew late." Mike, welcome back. We think a few things have changed since you left. Matt, Janet, Alexander, you're absolutely going to love it here. Crew 8 comprised of NASA astronauts Matthew Dominic, Michael Barad, Janet Epps, and Russian cosmonaut Alexander Grebenkin embarked on a 6-month journey to the International Space Station (ISS). The crew of 4 launched atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida on Sunday, March 3rd at 10:53 p.m. EST. In Crew 8, Dominic serves as the commander, Barad as the pilot, while Epps and Grebenkin take on the roles of mission specialists. Barad as the only experienced space traveler among them, having completed 2 orbital missions prior to this one. Their mission involves relieving the 4 astronauts of SpaceX's Crew 7 who have been aboard the ISS since August 2023. The Crew 7 members are scheduled to return to Earth no earlier than March 11th, marking the beginning of Crew 8's 6-month stint aboard the orbiting laboratory. Crew 8 marks SpaceX's 8th operational astronaut mission to the ISS under its partnership with NASA. This commercial crew arrangement mirrors a similar deal NASA has with Boeing. Boeing's upcoming trial mission, Crew Flight Test, is set to launch astronauts aboard its new Starliner capsule next month. Space missions like Starship and Crew 8 represent significant milestones in humanity's quest to explore and understand the cosmos. Firstly, let's consider Starship. This groundbreaking spacecraft represents a paradigm shift in rocket technology. Its colossal size, coupled with a fully reusable design, promises to revolutionize space travel by significantly reducing the cost of reaching orbit and beyond. With the potential to carry large payloads and ferry humans to destinations such as Mars and beyond, Starship opens up new possibilities for the exploration and eventual colonization of other planets. Moreover, Starship serves as a testbed for cutting-edge technologies and engineering solutions, driving innovation and paving the way for more sustainable and efficient space exploration endeavors in the future. On the other hand, Crew 8's mission to the International Space Station (ISS) holds immense significance for human spaceflight. Crewed missions to the ISS are vital for maintaining a continuous human presence in space, enabling scientific research, technological development, and international collaboration. Crew 8, composed of astronauts from NASA and Roscosmos, will contribute to ongoing research projects about the ISS, spanning fields such as biology, physics, and materials science. These studies not only advance our understanding of the fundamental principles of science, but also have practical applications that benefit life on Earth. Furthermore, Crew 8's mission highlights the importance of international cooperation in space exploration. Collaborative efforts between space agencies such as NASA and Roscosmos facilitate the sharing of resources, expertise, and knowledge, leading to more ambitious and successful missions. Additionally, Crew 8's journey serves as a testament to human ingenuity and determination, showcasing our ability to overcome challenges and explore new frontiers. In short, missions like Starship and Crew 8 are instrumental in pushing the boundaries of space exploration and furthering our understanding of the universe. They represent the culmination of years of research, development, and collaboration, paving the way for a future where humanity ventures deeper into space than ever before. So, as SpaceX prepares for the 3rd launch attempt of Starship, do you think it will be a successful mission? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.